Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor. Today's video is all about crochet lamp cover ideas. We will try our best to show you specific and unique design and colors for your home decor so that at least you can get some technical help from our side. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every video from our side. Crochet lamp covers offer several benefits. Unique decor adds a personal touch and handmade charm. Softness light diffuse harsh light creating warm ambience. Versatility fits various lamp shapes and size. Easy installation, simply slip over exciting lamp shades. Customizable, choose colors, patterns and yarn to match decor. Energy efficiency, reduce light intensity, minimizing energy. Dust protection covers lampshades, reducing dust chances. Improved safety prevents broken glass or sharp edges. Portable, take with you when moving or traveling. It's really very amazing benefit of crochet lampshades. For example, if you have set yourself in one room, you have spent many time to crochet some covers. Suddenly, you need to move from this room to somewhere. No, it's a big problem. If you have purchased something else like that, you should keep it here. You cannot take it with you. But it's portable. It's very preferable benefit of portable lamp covers. You can take them with you very easily in your new home or in your new room or anywhere. Even you are going to abroad, you can put it in your bag very easily. Handmade appeal showcases crochet skills and creativity. Cozy ambience creators warm inviting atmosphere. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, please don't forget to share and like the video so that because of you, your friends also can see such type of unique and special crochet items. Easy care, machine washable and dryable. Sustainable, this is also the common thing which you can get from crochet. Reuses exciting lamps, reducing waste. Budget friendly, cost effective alternative to new lamp shades. Personal expression reflects individual style and taste. Dear viewers, with a happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching our video.